Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video let's take a look at semiconductors, that is Nvidia, AMD, SMCI, ARM, Broadcom and Micron. Also want to show you QQQ and SPY. We'll go over that as well in this video. There's a bloodbath in the market today, guys. Wow. Like the sell-off is just unprecedented today. But anyways, I'll be doing videos on my dividend investing channel as well today or over the weekend. So subscribe here if you haven't done so, because this fall in the market that we are getting, this is what I was waiting for to buy into some dividend ETFs. And I have made some moves this morning. Like I bought so much of stuff this morning. I'll talk about it in those videos in this channel. You can find the link to Junior Trader Dividend Investing channel in the description of this video. Subscribe here as well if you want to be notified when any updates comes out. All right. So now starting off with Nvidia, and before that I also want to let you know none of this is any financial advice. It's only for education purposes. So Nvidia is in the downward structure, right? We are still below 118. We also lost the level of 106 yesterday. Oh, well, we found a bit of a support here, but today lost $106 again. But that support that came just didn't was, well, I mean, that just was a bounce at 106. We rejected at then 111 yesterday again, like through that rebound. That was, the next confirmed downtrend rejection, and then we broke today 106 as well. There's some buying happening here, and we'll talk about that as well in just a second. So overall, structure is still technically bearish, guys. Lower highs, lower lows, and right now what Nvidia is doing is this $97, as I have said, keep an eye on this area. This is an important zone. Price action maybe above this or around that. We are seeing already some reaction here, right? So what is happening right now in the price action? Yes, we are overall structure is bearish, but when we have an extension in the continuation already, some rebound is a possibility, right? And it looks like Nvidia wants to do that at the double bottom zone with the previous candle, one of the previous candles. So if I take you back again to the hourly interval, so from this is the third hour in these last three candles, what am I seeing is that this significant level of 102 and 55 cents area is being held by these wicks. So I won't be surprised if this rebound continues, but again, I would only give it a rebound. So, this could be until 106 and 29 cents. If we get above that, then maybe 20 and 50. Again, rebounds are always tricky to trade. There is no guarantee how high the rebound would go, but the stop loss has to be on the other side, 102 and 59 cents on the other side of it. So let's see if this forms a bit of a support, gives a rebound, and if this rebound comes, 106 can be tested, and then we'll see if it gets through 20 or 50 hours moving average until there, but then that's just going to be a rebound. So Nvidia still though continues to remain in the downtrend. It's just that after such a sell-off, some rebound is trying to come, but we just don't know how high the rebound would go. So just be prepared to scalp or take profits accordingly. So you can see precisely, even like from last 3 hours, pre-market area as well, just being held, tested, and pretty much that's how you take the scalps, at least in the rebounds. That when you see this level holding right with the red candle, next green candle comes, and then it's just at least scalp, a couple of minutes of scalps that can be traded with the stop loss on the other side for sure, right? So we'll see what happens. Definitely if Nvidia after this support, without breaking further below again of this $101, if Nvidia can get above 106 and on lower time frame like 5 minutes also, it can take out to the upside. It may set up a little bit more to the upside for not just today but even for Monday, but we'll talk about it later as well once the market has closed. But so yeah, right now Nvidia is trying to find some zone of a little bit of support. Let's see if it holds. Otherwise, yeah, because technically we are in the downtrend, so yeah, we might just continue lower, and there is no, for the bulls, confident bullish little bit more rebound is only above the 106 and 26 cents. Until then, it's just a scalp bounce that may come. But then, yeah, as if we lose now 102 and 57 cents, just that means failing these 3 hours of support. If we fail these 3 hours of support, and then we will be heading down to $97 is the next level to watch then. All right, but that's that. So yeah, still in the downtrend though right now. All right, once we lose this, if we lose $97 area, then it opens up the door to 82 as well. So just keep that in mind as well. But again, we'll talk more about it later. AMD trying to rebound today, but is a feeble rebound. You can say still getting rejected below that level of 136 and 82 cents. I talked about this level yesterday. Until then, a rebound can come. That's fine, but that will just be a rebound, right? So we got that rebound selling off there. If AMD can close above 136 and 82 cents, then only some structural strength will start to show up. Otherwise, no. And right now, there is not any strength of such type. We are rejecting just below, underneath of that level, the very level that I talked to you guys yesterday as well in my video. This level I provided you 136 and 81 cents. So let's see what AMD does, if it consolidates here and then starts to go up again, or will it, if it breaks again 130 and 69 cents, then the next level down, right? All right, SMCI. So let's go to the daily interval first. And so SMCI talked about, guys, expect a flush once we lose 200 days moving average. We got that today. So yeah, SMCI is full on downtrend, bearish. Wow. Yeah, I'm not seeing a strong level until 356. Now we'll see. But yeah, this thing, in my opinion, was always very overcooked to the upside. So it's just, slowing down. ARM, okay. So ARM is continuing the downtrend that we are in. I gave you this trend line. Like, I'm giving you these levels to see if the price action holds here, right? Right now, again, you have to see the price action hold, double bottom forms, higher pivots form. We have to see the price action first here. So at this level right now, this trend line that we have had on this it's a trajectory trend line on the daily interval. So if ARM continues, well, if it breaks, it breaks, right? It's just going to continue lower. But if it starts to consolidate here, and then if we see a level break to the upside, some strength may come. But right now it's just a falling knife. But hey, yeah, it's around the 200 days moving average as well now. So this is the zone of interest. We have to see price action here now. That is it going to find support here? Is that a possibility or not, right? So right now on the daily, I'm not seeing any structure of such type of bullish, and even on hourly interval, I'm still just seeing lower high, lower lows, no consolidations, no double bottoms right now. I'm not seeing anything that tells me that there's a sign of consolidation right now. So no, it's still bearish though on the across the intervals. Broadcom. So Broadcom finally cracked below now 144 and 56 cents, continues to go lower. It's in the downtrend right now, not seeing any bullish structure. Let's see if this gets out of the channel now and comes down to 130. But yeah, those were the short plays. If any other short plays taken at these areas, stop loss has to be above 144 on the short side, right? And because above that is the structural change again, into the rebound or upside, right? But yeah, this is the structural area to make that decision, 144. Micron told you, if we now is just wait on the sideline. Once we lose 200 days moving average, expect a flush. We are getting that today. Micron is also just selling off, cracking. Yeah, I never knew why Micron was that way high up there anyways, but yeah. Cool. All right, no, downtrending, no sign of upside on this right now. And let's take a look at now SPY and QQQ as well. So SPY, guys, now, so SPY, nothing has changed. We are still in the bearish structure today. We are just seeing a continuation of that right now. I'm not seeing any structure to the upside. The levels you are watching now is 524, 518, and maybe also 200 days moving average. It's full on in the bearish structure right now, not seeing any sign of upside. All right, QQQ continues to sell off, and also this was already in the downtrend. This level that I talked about, 448, we didn't see any price, at least on the daily interval, we didn't see any price consolidate here. We did see, actually, if I take it to the hourly interval, there was a little bit of a struggle here for QQQ. It tried to hold 448 a little bit, tried to go back up, but again, there was just so much selling pressure because we have to see if the price holds here, for multiple hours. Double bottoms are formed. That never happened. We just flushed eventually, right? 448. It did try though, but couldn't. 448 we flushed, and this was quite a significant area though, guys. I would say losing this significant area is a problem unless we regain it. And otherwise, yeah, no, 200 days moving average is most likely we are going towards that. But there are some ETFs that I have bought this morning. Again, details of those will be coming out on my Junior Trader Dividend Investing channel. So if you haven't subscribed here, please do so. And yeah, that's QQQ as well, guys. Complete in a sell-off, and looks like Nvidia also wants to sell off. So yeah, that pretty much that's the area on Nvidia, guys. Just keep an eye on how the price, if it consolidates here around 102 and tries to make its way up. But yeah, if all overall market continues to sell off, Nvidia is trying its best though, but we'll see. Again, any position, if it's taken, guys, stop loss has to be on the other side. And rebounds, just remember, take whatever you can in profit if you are in the profitable position with the rebounds. Otherwise, just don't trade the rebounds. Let the price action develop on the overall direction that we are in, and accordingly, just wait for the price to come back again to that structural pivot areas and just short into it, because the trend is in the downtrend. Otherwise, when the trend is in the uptrend, you play the reversals, just like with the rebound will become pullbacks, and accordingly, right, just wait for the pullbacks to happen on the uptrends, right, and on the downtrends, wait for the rebounds to complete. So let's see if Nvidia continues to sell off below this 102 and 58 cents, or will stay up here. We'll try to stay up here. So we'll see. All right. Okie dokie, guys. That's it for this video. And if you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.